Don't risk failing your driving test. Learn these 40 tricky road signs first, and passing will be a breeze. All right, let's dive in. Identify this road sign. A. Give way to traffic. B. Give way to oncoming vehicles. Great start. That's the give way to traffic sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Pedestrians ahead. B. Pedestrians prohibited. Correct. It is the pedestrians prohibited sign. What is this road sign? A. Staggered junction. B. Junction on a bend. Nicely done. It is the staggered junction warning sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Worded warning. B. Warning sign. Well spotted, it is the warning sign. Guess this road sign. A. Steep descent. B. Steep ascent. Great catch, that is the steep descent sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Two-way traffic. B. Two-way traffic on a one-way. Nicely done. It is the two-way traffic on a one-way sign. What is this road sign? A. No motor vehicles except solo motorcycles. B. Solo motorcycles prohibited. Excellent, it is the solo motorcycles prohibited sign. Identify this road sign. A. Riverbank or quayside. B. Watercourse alongside road. Well spotted, it is the riverbank or quayside sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Turn left ahead. B. Keep left. Correct. It is the turn left ahead sign. Identify this road sign. A. Low arch bridge ahead. B. Height restriction. Great catch. That is the height restriction sign. Guess this road sign. A. Buses prohibited. B. Buses and coaches prohibited. Nicely done. It is the buses prohibited sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Warning sign. B. Worded warning. Correct. It is the worded warning sign. Guess this road sign. A. Traffic merges from the left. B. Traffic merging onto main road. Correct. It is the traffic merges from the left sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Double bend first to the left. B. Series of bends ahead. Well spotted. It is the double bend first to the left sign. Guess this road sign. A. Traffic signals ahead. B. Standard traffic light. Great catch. That is the standard traffic light sign. Identify this road sign. A. Frail pedestrians likely to cross. B. Children going to school. Correct. It is the frail pedestrians likely to cross sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Yield to oncoming vehicles. B. Give way to traffic. Excellent. It is the yield to oncoming vehicles sign. Identify this road sign. A. Turn left ahead. B. Vehicular traffic must turn left. Well spotted, it is the vehicular traffic must turn left sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Series of bends ahead. B. Double bend, first to the left. Correct. It is the series of bends ahead sign. Identify this road sign. A. Height restriction. B. Clearance warning sign. Correct. That is the clearance warning sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Wigwag signal. B. Light signals at level crossing. Good start. That's the wigwag signal sign. Identify this road sign. A. Soft verges. B. Vehicles may park partially on verge. Correct. It is the vehicles may park partially on verge sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. End of dual carriageway. B. Road narrows on both sides. Excellent. It is the end of dual carriageway sign. Identify this road sign. A. Tramway. B. Route for tramcars only. Well spotted. It is the tramway sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Lanes bend ahead. B. Series of bends ahead. Correct. It is the lanes bend ahead sign. Identify this road sign. A. Staggered junction. B. Junction on a bend. Great catch. That is the junction on a bend sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Vehicles carrying explosives. B. No vehicle carrying inflammable liquids. Correct. It is the vehicles carrying explosives sign. Identify this road sign. A. Standard traffic light. B. Part-time traffic signals ahead. Excellent. It is the part-time traffic signals ahead sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Dip sign. B. Uneven road. Well spotted. It is the dip sign. Identify this road sign. A. End of temporary restrictions. B. End of controlled zone. Correct. It is the end of controlled zone sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Vehicles have priority over oncoming traffic. B. Give way to traffic. Great catch. That is the vehicles have priority over oncoming traffic sign. Identify this road sign. A. Icy conditions may exist. B. Ice or snow drifts. Yes, it is the ice or snowdrift sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Stop. Children crossing ahead. B. Children going to school. Good catch. It is the stop. Children crossing ahead sign. Identify this road sign. A. No bicycles. B. No cycling. Well spotted. It is the no cycling sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. End of prohibition of goods vehicles. B. Articulated vehicles prohibited. Good observation. It is the end of prohibition of goods vehicles sign. Identify this road sign. A. Foggy conditions may exist. B. Icy conditions may exist. Awesome! That's the foggy conditions may exist sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Parking place. B. Vehicles may park wholly on verge. Correct. It is the vehicles may park wholly on verge sign. Identify this road sign. A. Tourist information. B. Direction to tourist attraction. Good call. It is the tourist information sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Wild animals. B. Small wild animals. Well spotted. That is the small wild animals sign. Identify this road sign. A. No vehicle over indicated length. B. No vehicle over indicated width. Nicely spotted. It is the no vehicle over indicated length sign. Thanks for watching. If you want the latest road signs, guides, tips, and study materials, subscribe now so that you don't miss out. Click on these videos on your screen to keep learning. See you in the next video.